Today we are making a super easy Mediterranean-style roasted sea bass. About 20 minutes from start to finish. It's healthy, easy, and feels a little special. First, let's prep the veggies. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Then slice the red onions into about the same size. Season with sea salt, black pepper, and a good drizzle of olive oil. Toast everything together. Next, slice half a lemon. Make sure you remove the seeds. If you leave them in, the fish can taste bitter after roasting. Now for the fish, rinse the sea bass, then trim off the fins and tail. Score the size. I'm using small sea bass today, about 170 grams each. Sprinkle on some black pepper and sea salt. Rub it evenly. Inside each fish, add 2 slices of lemon and a sprig of rosemary. Let's make a quick sauce. Chop some garlic and add it into a bowl. Then go in with 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of Italian herb, the juice from half a lemon, a little lemon zest, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix everything together and pour it over the fish. No marinating needed. We can cook it right away. Preheat your air fryer to 180 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Don't use the rack. Spread the tomatoes and red onion on the bottom. Place the fish on top. Spoon over the extra sauce. And finish with a little more rosemary. Air fry at 180 degrees centigrade for about 10 minutes. No flipping needed. Right before serving, drizzle a little extra olive oil on top while it's hot. Don't waste the sauce at the bottom. Pour it over pasta and it tastes amazing. Simple, flavorful, and perfect for an easy meal. Thanks for cooking with me. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe to Bay's Kitchen. See you next time.